It's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. I know it's too good to be true, but it's true. It's me, Kinghuman. Let the doves fly, let the trumpets sound. Booyakasha. Look, okay, let me get into this. Gotta set this down. Here's what's doing, okay? I've been getting some emails. I get this all the time about e-commerce. Kinghuman, how do we make money in e-commerce drop shipping? Personally, I hate drop shipping, but let me turn you chuckleheads on to something that might help you. I'm going to give you a bunch of drop shipping courses. I'm also going to give you some cool stuff on private labeling your own products. Here's some good resources. Watch this video. Don't bug me. Okay, here's what's doing. I'm at Wholesale Central, and check this out. Private label opportunities for wholesale merchandise. Now, this is a cool thing. I've made some good money private labeling products. If you don't know what private labeling is, that's when you can take somebody's product, whatever it is, whatever it might be, and slap your own label onto it and build a brand. Now, I did this way back in the day. I went to the Consumer Electronics Show, and I found some guy that had these killer cables, you know, for audio-visual cables, electronic cables. Now, think in terms of monster cable, right? And this was back in the day when HDMI was first coming out, all that stuff. So I found this guy, and he's at these great cables in these great boxes, and I said, do you private label? He said, sure, I do. And I went, oh my God, ka-ching. But here's what I did that most other people don't do. I always see things differently. I didn't look at that product and say, wow, I'm going to make my own cables and sell them. What I did was I made some prototypes with my new company label on it, and I made a website of those cables. And then I sold that as a turnkey business, and I didn't sell it. I sold it on, I don't remember if I sold it on eBay or Flippa. I don't know if Flippa was even around at the time, but I sold it as a turnkey high-end cable manufacturing company that had a website. I didn't sell it as a website. I sold it as a manufacturing company, and I got bank for that. So, as I said, something for you to think about. Now, I'm going to get more into that in a minute, but right now, again, I'm at this Wholesale Central. Below this video, I'm going to give you a link to this page, and you can come here. But keep watching because we're going to deep dive into some other things. So, all of the people on this page are companies that will let you put your label on their products. Here's one that has essential oils and fashion jewelry and all kinds of stuff. You can have your own label on that stuff. And again, you don't have to sell the products. You can make a website of these products and sell the website for good money. I have a book on that I'm going to give you for free in a minute. Let's see, what is this? I don't know what the hell they're talking about. They're in the wrong category. Grocery, here's grocery. That's nothing. That's a directory. You have to go through these because not all of these apply. Here's another fragrance oils you can private label. Whoops, that one a little mental. Fragrance oils, perfume, body oils, aromatherapy, diffusers. You can private label all that crap. Here, you can private label soap, bath bombs. I don't know. Anyway, they got a bunch of shit in here that you can private label. Do it, don't do it. What do I give a shit? Here's fashion scarves, shawls, leggings, whatever. You can put your label on that shit and sell it and be a big star. Or instead of doing that, because most of you guys don't understand. When you private label something, that's just the beginning. Now, when you private label something, you can put it on Amazon and nobody else has the right to sell that product under that brand. But in order for it to be a success, you have to build that label up so that it's recognizable. You can't just, slap your shitty label on something and expect people to want it for the value of that label. So that means you're going to have to spend a lot of money in advertising and promotion if that's what you want to do. Personally, I didn't want to do that. So I would come here and I would create a website of this crap, and I would make my own label for that crap, and I would sell it as a manufacturing company of shawls. What the hell is Pashima? I don't know what is Pashima? I don't even know what the fuck that is. Leggings, hats, gloves, apparel, sportswear, sleepwear, swimwear, all of that crap. I'd put my own label on it, and I would sell it as a business, a manufacturing business that has a website. It's turnkey, and it's just a startup company. It doesn't have any sales or anything, but you can take it to the next level. The other thing I did was, when somebody bought one of my websites like that, is I would give them a marketing kit that came with it, absolutely free, that told them how to put their products on certain CPA gateways, things like that, commissionjunction.com. I would give them marketing ideas. So anyway, that's that. But the other thing is, if you come to the bottom of this page, you will see somewhere here, let's see, I'm not seeing it because I'm losing my mind. There's a category in here for dropship. Here it is, right here, drop shippers. So if you click on that, you will be taken to a bunch of drop shippers. But here's a guy that advertises his drop shipping crap. And again, I don't like drop shipping as a income model. Personally, I don't like it because the minute you drop ship, you lose control over your quality, and you lose control over when your stuff gets shipped. So if you were going to do drop shipping on eBay, like everybody wants to do, you might sell a product, right? And then you go to the supplier and you say, okay, ship it to this thing. And you don't hear nothing happens. You assume everything was done right, but maybe that product is on back order from that supplier, and they don't come back and tell you. And now you've got a pissed off customer who hasn't received their product, and you don't hear from that customer until they're pissed off. See, I used to run a business of merchandise, e-com on eBay, doing Halloween goods, and I did really well at it because I did not lose control over my product. I had everything shipped to me, and then I shipped out the products. I made sure every product met quality control standards, and I got stuff shipped out in one day. I was like Amazon before Amazon was Amazon. And I got nothing but compliments from people saying, holy crap, how did you get that to me so fast? It's great, I love it. Plus, I would always put extra free bonuses in my shipments. I'm just giving you tips here. People, do it, don't do it, what do I care? But anyway, if you want to get into this drop shipping crap, here's the deal. Again, make a website of drop shipping products and sell it as a turnkey website to these people that want to actually get involved in this nonsense. I don't. The other thing you could do is you could come here, okay, just looking at this as an example of this website. I don't know. I don't know what this is. I haven't looked at it. I'm just seeing it for the first time with you. But I imagine anybody that does this and caters to this kind of thing, these kind of people that want dropship stuff, they've got an extra margin built into their products. That's just the way this stuff works, Or I've also seen clubs where they charge you to be a member of a website like this because people are too stupid to go directly to the suppliers and get it at real wholesale. So I don't know. I don't know shit from Shinola about this particular website. You can come here and check it out. Oh, it says join free for 7 days. So this is one of those scams where they say, oh, you can buy our stuff for wholesale, but you have to pay us a monthly fee. You don't have to really do that. I mean, there are a lot of wholesalers out there that'll drop ship your orders if you ask them. But just so you know, this is one of these guys, right? So come to the bottom of this page, click on dropshippers. You'll find a bunch of dropshippers here in different categories of merchandise. And also, I want to show you my blog site because there's something on here that ties into this. So yeah, here's my blog site, kinghuman.com. And yeah, it's a crappy site. And yes, I'm still working on it, and it's not really, it's got some issues, right? Okay, leave me alone. Don't bug me. I'm working on it. But if you come up here, here's this article, make $400 an hour flipping websites. And you can download this ebook that I wrote a long time ago, back when I was in e-commerce. You can download that, and there'll be more information for you on that. This one, how to make an extra $88,000 a year on eBay, that was the other half of this book that I wrote. And this talks about me making money on eBay selling Halloween goods, because that's the merchandise I used to sell. And I give you all the tips and tricks and the suppliers and everything. And yeah, the book was written a long time ago. It still applies. I believe it's still valid. The suppliers, some of the suppliers may not be around anymore, but all you have to do is a simple search for wholesale Halloween suppliers or wholesale Halloween good trade shows, and you'll be dialed in. You'll be able to go into the exhibitors list, and you'll find a ton of stuff. So there it is. It's up to you. Do it, don't do it. I don't give 1/5 of half-eaten shit what you do. By the way, come back to my website every so often, because I'll be posting new content on here. And there's going to be a link on this website, probably under these blog posts somewhere. Maybe I'll take that off instead and there'll be a link on here. I am in the process of making a custom course for you guys that will take you from beginner to pro at making automated income robots online. It's one of the things I do. I make these little automated income robots. It takes me a little while to set them up, and then I post them, and they work for me 24/7 on autopilot, making me money online. It's kind of cool, and it makes me a lot of money. So anyway, it's not on the website yet, but come back here maybe in a week or two and look for, it'll be a big yellow square somewhere right here. And it'll say, get this free course, something like that. I don't know. What do you want from me? Leave me alone. Why are you hawking me? I can already hear you guys yelling and screaming and trolling and trying to get my blood pressure up so I'll have a freaking thrombo. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't make me have a thrombo. All right. Go away. Maximum respect. All the best. And email me with your success. Bye.